all, come back again with learning Thai with Tuk today. So today we're gonna learn about the word rainy, rainy, rainy or rain, rain, rain. In English, but in Thai we say phon, phon, phon. It's raining, phon tok. It's raining, phon tok. Or rainy season, ฤดูฝน ฤดูฝน Rain is ฝน in Thai. So just a short word that you can remember quick. Rain in English, but in Thai we say ฝน 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 F-O-N ฝน ฝน Just only one word. People understand you. When you say like raining, you say oh ฝน ฝนตก ฝนตก Rain ฝน ฝน Okay. Next time we can learn more about the season, and thank you very much for watching and see you for the next time. Bye bye.